Back in February, I showed my onion seedlings that were just popping through the soil. Look at them now. I already gave them a little haircut to about 8 inches to keep them from getting too tall while still in the pots. Under the pink lights on my shelves, my other seedlings are coming up. I have several kinds of sweet and hot peppers, like jalapenos for canning into what some call cowboy candy. Everyone loves that. I also started some sweet pimiento peppers as well. If you haven't tried growing them, you might want to do so. They are sweet and delicious. There are several kinds of tomatoes, both paste or Roma and slicing types, as well as herbs such as basil, oregano, sweet marjoram, thyme, chervil, etc. When I water my seedlings, I water them from the bottom to encourage the roots to grow down and not stay up near the surface of the pots. I place paper towels over the drain in the sink to keep any dirt out. Then I partially fill containers with water that I place my pots into. When the soil starts to show a little moisture on the top, I move the pots back into the seed starting trays. Then I carefully fold up and throw away the paper towels, then clean and disinfect the sink. When you use what you have available, you learn ingenuity and contentment. After all, gardening is supposed to be enjoyable, so get those fingers dirty and have fun.